I like this truck, but it's just too big. The wheels stick out too far. It's always dirty. It looks like a toad driving down the road or a moose. It's not good looking. It's pointless. Can't even hardly stay in the lane. I'm just playing, guys. I'm just playing. What up? Welcome back to the channel. We're selling a car. We are finally selling a car. A lot of people knew this day would come for many, many reasons. Well, reason number one, and mainly the only reason why we are pretty much forced to get rid of the car. I want to purchase another car, multiple more cars. And as of right now, we don't have any space. The garage at the house is full of cars. Bobby parks the STI in there. We have to keep a car in the garage because the shop is currently full of cars as well. There's always a car outside no matter what. If we pick up another car, there's nowhere to put it. So we are being forced to get rid of a car. That's the scoop. It's not the truck. I was just messing. This thing's beautiful. I love it. I know it's not everyone's taste, but none of these cars are everyone's taste. And that's the beautiful thing about life, is you build stuff that you like. And if other people don't like it, that's okay. Before we get any further in the video, thank you to everyone who supported yesterday's drop. Went very, very well. All the orders will be shipped throughout the weekend, so everything will be hopefully in the mail by Monday for all the orders that were placed on drop day, which was yesterday. Thank you guys. It went very, very smooth and very well. As always, really appreciate the support. There are a few select sizes left. I think pretty much all the common sizes are sold out. If there's anything you want, first link down below. Also, go check out the new site. The new site's sick. The parts list for every single build going on is on the new site, and it's amazing. This thing though, this thing's always in the way. It never gets driven. It's slow and slow. It's a camber machine. We've had this car forever. This was pretty much the original car of the channel. This is what made the channel, and I think it's finally time to let it go. I'm kidding. I love the FRS. I understand that it's low and slow, but there's so much untapped potential with the FRS because it's low and slow. If it was fast and low, I mean, that'd be cool, and that's the end goal with the car. But there's a billion things I want to do with the FRS. Turbo kit, maybe. Supercharger, maybe. Swap it, maybe. Different wrap, maybe. The car is nowhere near complete. This is like the fun child of the family that we can pretty much do whatever we want with, and we're not like super concerned with it. And I don't know why that is. It's not like it's a super cheap car. It's probably the cheapest car of all the cars that we own. So I think that's why I have that feeling with this car, that this is just like the car to do whatever to. Of course, this is not gonna be the one to sell. I'm not even gonna mess with you guys. We're not selling this. We're selling this. We went so deep with this car. I kind of lost it. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no clue how to put this thing back together. The transfer is probably not gonna work. The trans is probably not gonna work. I don't know why I took them apart. I had no clue what I was doing. I'm playing. Okay, I'm done messing around. Let's go get in the car that we're selling and go for a drive. Well guys, it's official. It's officially time to let my pride and joy leave. I've thought about selling this car multiple times throughout the ownership of owning this thing, and I always back out. There's a lot of things I really, really like about this car. Pretty much everything. I love this car. This is one of the OG cars of the channel. This is one of the cars that made my channel into what it is. But the bottom line, we need to get rid of one of the cars. This is the only car that I see that is 100% complete. There's not a single thing I want to change on this car. I can see why a lot of people say to get rid of the FRS. There's a lot of people that don't like it, that don't understand it. I love the FRS, and it's nowhere even near completed. And every other car that we currently own as well. Like, I don't want to sell any other car because I don't see them as being complete, as being finished. But this thing on the other hand, there's not a single thing I want to change on it. Nothing. We could powder coat the wheels, we could wrap it, we could do all these random little things to it, but I don't want to, because the way it sits is 100% perfect. It's perfection. I love it. I know that this is going to disappoint a lot of people, but trust me when I say the decision to sell this car is for the better. You guys will see why over the next few months, year, whatever, however long it takes. But trust me, you'll understand. We listed this thing on Instagram last night and there's a ton of interest. So this may be one of the last times, or this may be the very, very last time you guys ever see this thing on the channel. It's been a fun run. Okay guys, let's make a little bit of progress on the blue Evo. We don't have a ton of time because I just spent all morning dicking around with the black 8 and driving it. So that was cool. And it's also my niece's birthday today, so we gotta head out there. But we still have a couple hours to get some significant progress made on this thing. I think what I wanna focus on right now is throwing the interior back together because it's a giant disaster. And there's so many random parts laying around the shop for the interior that I don't wanna get like destroyed or ruined. So seat can go back in, the whole center console, all the wiring. None of the wiring is connected right now. We just put the harness through the firewall. So we gotta get that connected. What else? Yeah, pretty much just get this thing back to one piece, kind of the end goal as of right now. Let's get to work. Once again, it's gonna be a pain because of this, but if we can take it apart, we can put it back together. Let's do it. So there are two ground wires on this harness. This one right here is gonna ground to the tunnel down there. And then there's another, just this little single wire right here that is gonna ground to right on this bar right here. We got the wiring ran down to the O2 sensor. These 4 plugins are for the ECU. And then these 3 run up behind the whole blower motor assembly, all that stuff back there. Clips in to the firewall and then it comes back down and plugs in over here. It's actually not too complicated. It just took a little bit of time to pull the dash out and the seats out and whatnot. So the Evo interior's 95% back together. We got to throw in the gauges, do a little bit of wiring for the gauges, but I want to like do that nicely, you know what I'm saying? Hello.
Hi, babe.
One last drive.
Yes.
You want to drive?
Yes.
Probably didn't drive the Ava Junior for the last time.
Oh, look at all your rice cakes.
Oh no, can't. What if I sold the car with all the rice cakes in it? We'd be screwed.
Hold on, I have more to put back there.
Run, run, run. Why don't you just buy her?
I want better things. She's trying to snow outside.
You ever gonna let her eat?
Yes, I will. But not over this bone. I can let her eat a little bit right here if you'd like.
Jesus, this thing's fast. I always tell Bobby that horsepower does not equal funness factor. Because this car is how much more fun over the 10, and the 10 makes way more power.
Yeah.
What's more fun, the 10 or the 8?
This. Just a little rip. There's people in my way. Wow, that's so many pops. Okay, that's all I'm doing for the show.
Today is the day. I feel like today is definitely the day that this thing is going to come apart finally. And if it doesn't, a lot of you guys have commented to try a different type of penetrating oil. But let's give this a shot. Wow, of course that had to happen. All those hours and hours and hours that we just put into this pump, and that's what we ended up with. So I got it separated quite a bit, so I ended up cutting the bolts, and then I was like, okay, easy. I'll just punch those bolts out of this housing, and then I had her in the vise, like so. Started punching on it, came out a little bit, and then boom, shattered. If anyone has an 8 or 9 ACD pump, even if it's like toast, as long as it's a rebuildable core, I need it. Like we can't drive this car until we have one. I mean, I don't think we're gonna be driving anytime soon anyway. Probably like a few weeks out at least, because yeah, it's a long ways to go, but still absolutely need one of those guys. I'm sad. That makes me sad. Well, I'm gonna leave the shop now because I'm disappointed. I'm gonna go drive my Evo 8 again. Bobby just drove it forever, so I'm gonna go drive it now. I'm gonna miss this car, but it's okay because we have another one that's gonna be better.